Did you know certain foods can not only support kidney health but also help reverse damage? Whether you're looking to strengthen your kidneys due to a health condition or just want to maintain optimal health, the right diet can be a game changer. Today, we unveil 10 powerful foods that are known for their kidney repairing properties. Let's dive in and explore how you can give your kidneys the boost they need. 1. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are excellent for kidney health due to their low potassium content and high levels of essential nutrients. Nutrient profile. They are rich in vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as fiber and folic acid, all of which are crucial for maintaining healthy kidney function and overall health. Antioxidant properties. The antioxidants in red bell peppers help protect the kidneys from damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Dietary uses. Red bell peppers can be included in a variety of dishes. They can be eaten raw in salads, roasted, or stuffed with a healthy filling. Their sweet, mild flavor also makes them a great addition to stir-fries and pasta dishes. 2. Cabbage. Cabbage is a kidney-friendly vegetable packed with beneficial compounds. Phytochemicals. It contains powerful phytochemicals that help break up free radicals before they can do damage, aiding in the functioning of the kidneys. Nutrient-rich. Cabbage is high in vitamins K and C, fiber, and is low in potassium, which is beneficial for those with kidney concerns. Versatility in cooking. Cabbage can be enjoyed in various ways. It can be added to soups, sautéed as a side dish, or used in coleslaw. It's also a staple ingredient in many fermented foods, like sauerkraut, which are excellent for gut health. 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are a superfood for the kidneys, offering a range of health benefits. High in antioxidants. They are loaded with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their blue color and help in reducing inflammation and protecting the kidneys. Nutrient-dense. Blueberries are also a great source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber, all of which contribute to overall health and kidney function. Incorporation into diet. They can be consumed fresh, added to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal, or even used in baking. Blueberry-infused water is also a refreshing and healthy drink option. 4. Olive oil. Olive oil is highly beneficial for kidney health, particularly extra virgin olive oil, which is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Oleic acid. Olive oil is rich in oleic acid, a type of monounsaturated fatty acid that has been shown to reduce inflammation, a key factor in protecting the kidneys from damage. Antioxidants. It contains antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, which can be detrimental to kidney health. These antioxidants also contribute to the overall health of the body. How to use. Olive oil is versatile and can be used for cooking, dressings, or as a drizzle over salads and cooked vegetables. It's important to note that extra virgin olive oil offers the most health benefits. 5. Garlic. Garlic is a fantastic food for kidney health due to its numerous beneficial properties. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidative. Garlic has natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties, making it an excellent choice for reducing kidney damage and improving overall health. Allicin. The active compound in garlic, allicin, is known to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are important for kidney health. Culinary uses. Garlic can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes to enhance flavor. It can be used in cooking or consumed raw for maximum benefits. Garlic supplements are also available for those who prefer not to eat garlic directly. 6. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is another kidney-friendly food, packed with essential nutrients beneficial for kidney health. Nutrient profile. It is high in vitamin C, folate, and fiber, and also contains compounds that help the liver neutralize toxic substances that can harm the kidneys. Low in potassium. Cauliflower is low in potassium, which is beneficial for those who need to manage their potassium intake due to kidney issues. Versatile in cooking. Cauliflower can be eaten raw, steamed, or mashed as a low-carb alternative to potatoes. It can also be roasted or used in place of rice for a healthy twist. 7. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent choice for kidney health, thanks to its high omega-3 fatty acid content. Omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which are crucial for maintaining kidney health. Inflammation can contribute to kidney damage and disease progression. Cardiovascular benefits. Omega-3s also support cardiovascular health, which is closely linked to kidney function. Healthy blood vessels help maintain efficient kidney filtration. How to incorporate. Salmon can be grilled, baked, or even consumed as smoked salmon. It's versatile and can be included in salads, sandwiches, and as a main course. 8. Egg whites. Egg whites are an excellent source of high-quality, kidney-friendly protein. High-quality protein. Proteins are essential for bodily functions, but overconsumption, especially of red meat, can strain the kidneys. Egg whites provide a high-quality protein source that's easier on the kidneys. Low phosphorus content. Unlike whole eggs, egg whites are low in phosphorus, which is beneficial for those with kidney damage as high phosphorus levels can be harmful. Dietary uses. Egg whites can be used in omelets, scrambled eggs, or added to smoothies. They're also great for baking and can be a part of a protein-rich diet. 9. Onions. Onions are a kidney-friendly food, offering flavor and health benefits. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Onions are rich in antioxidants and compounds that reduce inflammation, both of which are beneficial for kidney health. Low in potassium. Onions are also low in potassium, which is ideal for a kidney-friendly diet, especially for those who need to manage their potassium levels. Versatile flavor enhancer. Onions can be used in a myriad of dishes to add flavor without adding excessive salt, which is important for maintaining kidney health. 10. Beets. Beets are potent in terms of their benefits for kidney health. Nitrates and antioxidants. Beets are high in nitrates and antioxidants, which help improve blood flow and kidney function. Improved blood flow aids in efficient kidney filtration and function. Detoxification properties. They have natural detoxifying properties that can help cleanse the kidneys and improve their function. Dietary incorporation. Beets can be roasted, juiced, or added to salads. They have a sweet, earthy flavor that pairs well with a variety of ingredients. Integrating these 10 foods into your diet can make a significant difference in reversing kidney damage and boosting your kidney health. From antioxidant-rich blueberries to the anti-inflammatory properties of garlic, these foods are not only nutritious but also delicious. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-focused content. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments which kidney-healthy food you're planning to try first, and stay tuned for more health tips and food guides.